This is the Irontrader and TGIF. Wow, another just smoking great week of trading here. I mean, technology and oil and gas and the whole nine. It's going to be a really, really good end of the week. Now, remember, you want to finish strong here. Okay, so just cut your positions down and make some profits here and put the profits in your pocket so you have a nice, good, relaxing weekend. And then Monday, we come back out shooting. Okay, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natty gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, if you watch my video at the beginning of the week, I said this is going to be the key level right here, okay? By Friday, 75.97. Your real-time price right now is 75.92. We really want to do is close above this 200-day here for the week, and that would leave that bottoming tail in here like we had all here on all the rest of these candles, and that would be very, very good. Okay, now you can see here, this is why you want to trade the charts, okay? So I just keep everything very simple. Here's your 8 simple moving average, your 21-day, your 50-day, your 100-day, your 200-day, and these are price channels, okay? So when we had this bottoming candle right here, it's kind of like a bottoming candle, but then the next day what confirmed it is we put it in a higher low and a higher high, and it held that nice, good square block. That's always good. And then the next day we made a higher high. Look how nice that is. And then today, where we are, right into this 8 simple moving average. Okay, so there, see, you know exactly where you're going to go, where your first stop is. Now, again, if we can get above this here, this 8 simple moving average here, right there, you're looking at 75.89. Then we're going to start looking right here. Okay, you're going to look at this 76.15. And then we'll come right to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 76.43 level. And then we're here, you're looking at 77.25. And then we're looking at that 21-day here at 77.62. Now, again, if we can get yourself above that, then we have here is you got your high 78.62. And then we're going to be looking for that Hondo right there at 79.26. And then in 79.77 right above it. And we also have a lot of good resistant levels and good targets up here then is your 8 SMA here, looking at 79.05. You have your 21-day, 79.17, and your 50-day at 79.49. So realistically, once we start getting into these past this 8 and that 21-day, that 79 level is going to be very, very strong level because look how much resistance that we have. We have 3 simple moving averages here, and we have 2 right here. Very, very strong. And then you have the retest. If you can get through that, is up here at 80.62. Okay, so that's going to be your retest, and then we have your 50-day just above that at 80.83. But for today, what we're watching is this 8 simple moving average. Can we get above that, and then we go higher, or is it going to come down here and then retrace all the way and down? Okay, so let's look at the downside. So you want to watch today's low. Okay, you're looking at 75.24. And then what we'll do is we'll look over here to the top of this candle. You're looking at 74.33. We look here, you're looking at 74.06. And then we'll come right here to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 73.98. And then obviously your big retest down here at 72.48. Okay, so this is what you're watching. But realistically, this 8 SMA here, very, very critical. You get a close above it, then we know where all of our targets are going to be here going forward. Now, RSI here looking good. Your MACD here, you can see here how it got to like an over sold condition. Your green is still below your red, but if we can curl back up here, that would send that price up right here to that 79 level very, very nicely. So by the end of today, is we really want to close above this 75.97. That's going to be very, very key level here, which means we're going to have to get above this key 8 simple moving average. So let's just see how it all shakes out here. If we can blast above, maybe that 8-day will curl up, then we can just go level to level, okay? But remember, when you set your charts up, this is why you want to put all these different lines on your chart, because now you know when you were down here, if it does go up, we know where the target is. Very, very simple, okay? We get above that, then we know where the target is. Above that, we know where the target is, okay? That's how you trade, level to level. That's all you're doing is trading support and resistance. That's it. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Okay, here we have natural gas on your daily chart here. Okay, So this has been an awesome trader for how many days here now, okay? Just absolutely great. Now, the key to this whole thing is this 8 simple moving average, okay? You see this again. And it came down, it looked like it was going to roll over, but then it flattened out, and now she's rising up here. Very, very nice. Your 21-day, rising up. 50-day, rising up. Bottom left, upper right, that's what we want to do. Okay, so let's look at our resistance here now. So we want to look at, well, like say right now we're sitting at 2.86, okay? So what we want to do is we want to look to yesterday's high. You're looking at that 2.87, and then we have your breakout up here. You're looking at your price channel, which looked at 2.92. That is going to be key. Now, again, if we can get above that, then what we do is we just go right to the left of this chart right here, okay? Take this price channel, bring it right across. What do you have? 2.96. That's going to be your target if we can get above. Next level is going to be right here, okay? 3.01. That's what you're looking for. And then what we do is we just follow the candles. Look at the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 3.10. Then we'll look at the top of this candle. You're looking at 3.18. And then we follow here, okay, 3.23. And we come up here, 3.37. And then your big retest there at 3.92. That is your upper levels. Again, if you can close above that 2.92, that's where you take a long, and then we just hit all these targets. So remember, just take a level at a time. If you can break that, then you come right over here to that 2.96 and then that 3.01. And then we see how that shakes out. Then we just follow the 3.10, and then we come right up here, okay, 3.18. Just follow it all the way and up here, level to level. That's it. But the key is going to be closing above that key price channel at 2.92. Now, let's look at the downside. Well, we have a nice, good, strong right here, 2.79. So if you bring this candle right across here, okay, so you have a nice, good support level going all the way through 2.79. Now the candle is above that. Very, very nice. Next level here is going to be 2.75. That's what you're going to be looking for next. And then we're going to come right down here to this 8 simple moving average at 2.70. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, just 5-cent increments here. Okay, so 2.79, 8, okay, then you have 2.756, okay, and then we have your 2.70 flat. Very, very key. If that's lost, what we're going to do is look for this 21-day sitting at 2.589, and then if that's lost, we have this 2.458, call it 2.46. But you can see here now where we're just trading like we were in crude, we're just trading this box level here, okay? So if it breaks out above, then you take a big long, okay? If it breaks out below this 200-day, then we'll take a short. In the meantime, you just trade this range. That's all you got to do. It's kind of, it can't get any simpler than what that is, okay? As long as that price is above that 8 simple moving average, this is very, very good, okay? The end, okay? That's just exactly how that works. If that's lost, then we just look for that 21-day, then we'll look for that 200-day. I'll break above this key level here, then we just look to the left of the chart, follow it all up. These are all your resistant levels and your targets of where it's going to go all the way up to you get to the big retest up there at 3.39. Now, RSI here, you're looking good. And we're just following here the bottom of that 70 mark very, very nicely here. Your green now looks like it's above your red. That shows a good bullish upward momentum. That's also looking very, very good. Okay, let's take a look here on a weekly. Okay, here we have your weekly chart. All right, so key level here is this 50 SMA. I've been pointing this out here, 2.50. That's very, very good. That's what you need to hold on a closing basis here by today. So far, we're looking pretty good. Okay, and that gives it a chance for this 8 SMA here to move up. Okay, you cross the 21-day. Now we're taking that 8-day. We're headed towards that 50-day. That gives it very, very good support levels here. Okay, so again, if this rallies up here, then we want to look at that price channel, which is that 3.198. Okay, so if you just take this candle right across, that's what you're looking for. And then we have targets up there. There's that 3.39. Okay, again, if you can get above that, we can come all the way up here, 3.63, and then we can come all the way here to this 3.87, that 200-day. That's what you're going to be looking for here over time. But we got to see exactly how everything is going to shake out. Right now, she's looking very, very good. So just watch this 50-day on a closing basis today. long as it stays above that on a weekly basis, very, very good shape. Okay, that's what I got for you on crude and natural gas. I'll be back here at midday trading. We'll take a look a little more in depth on natty gas and crude, and then we throw something else in the old mix. Okay, now remember, today is Friday here, okay? So don't take any, extended risks. Cut your positions down, take money, put it in your pocket, okay? A profit is a profit. Makes no difference if it's big, if it's small. It's more money than you had when you got up this morning. Okay, thanks for watching.